Well,
here we are. We're at the bee farm. We're getting ready to pick up our packaged bees. There's queens in there and drones and those other ones with fuzzy legs.
Drones, yeah, the workers.
We're droning on and on about the bees, but that's pretty typical. There's the badger.
Yeah. So.
And of course, I'll take over the video. We're very excited about getting our bees, and it's going to happen soon. We just saw a gigantic truck, probably with scads of bees on it, just roll down the driveway. So we will come back again once we're up to the bee truck. And now you see in front of you packages of bees coming out of the big truck. Oh, here's the dude right here coming to get us.
Okay. Pretty good.
Did you pay already?
Oh yeah, 2 checks that went out.
Okay.
Right now, here they come. Oh my God, look at those bees. Holy cow. Hang in there. Let me see these bad boys. Hello, friends. Look at how exciting is that. The badger is spraying sugar water on them so they don't have depleted nutrients or whatnot at the moment.
See if they are alive in there.
They look alive to me.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them that have died in the bottom there. You're going to have that.
Where's the queen?
She's in a little cage box up there.
Back in January, we were pretty sure that a couple of the colonies weren't going to make it. So we ordered 2 packages of bees to replace any that we might have lost over the winter. Well, guess what? All 3 hives made it through the winter just fine. However, the packages were still coming. So I had to set up 2 new hives, and when you do that, you want to take some of the resources that the other bees develop, like drawn comb and honey, and put them in the new hive. That way, the new bees don't have to sit there and waste a lot of their time drawing out comb before the queen can start laying. And there are also some honey reserves so that they don't starve should things get a little sparse.
I'm going to put this into the feeder here. Now, we have frames here that are just undrawn. And over here I have some resources. Watch yourself. That. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 4 more frames. So let's see a frame that would be good to put the queen on. Let's see. This one. There. Well, we don't want to put the frame in quite yet. But we're going to open this guy up now. Hold on to that. And I'll try to get this can out of here. This can shouldn't weigh too much. Okay.
What are you looking for?
Sugar water. Because I don't really want them flying because I don't know where they are right now. Now, this little strap
Holds the queen.
holds the queen. Get her unstable. So they're around her. That's a good sign. But I want to see her. I want to see if she's alive. And that doesn't strike me as being a really solid queen, but they seem to like her. Okay, so there's 2 ends to this. And we want to actually get this little, and there's a little candy block in there. I'd like to dig that little candy block a little bit out, because I don't think they're going to. Trick with these is you never want to put it so that the candy block is down, because if a dead bee falls on it, they may never get her out.
Right.
So, what I'll try to do here is hold the queen for a little bit. I'm going to cut a little area of the comb here. Now,
Good job, badger.
all right, so she's in there. They have access to her. And now, I'm going to grab the blank super. Take the things off. Just to basically serve as a funnel.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Oh my.
now
Okay. We're gonna
time
do
to
it.
dump the clump.
Dump the clump! Oh my god! Holy shit!
Yep,
That's a clump, that's for sure.
that's a clump of bees.
They're trying to sting me.
They're not trying to sting you, they're just buzzing around. They do that, you know?
No, they're actually trying to sting me. They're going toward my head.
They're going towards your head, but they're not trying to sting you. Now, hopefully, a lot of those bees are alive.
Some of them are, for sure.
Right. Once they clear the area a little bit, and one of the reasons I'm leaving this on here is I'm actually going to let this inside here for a day for the rest of them to clear out and work their way down.
Yeah.
So, let's fire up a smoker. Your favorite thing to do. It'll be in the bag at the end. So that's a good pile of bees. They don't really know how to respond to smoke too much yet. I'm going to put this can down the corner since it has some food in it. And then like in the next 24 hours or so, I'll clear that out. We want you guys to go down so that I can put the rest of this box in here.
Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on, bees. Get down on it.
Yeah, I don't really
Get
want
down on it. Get to the hive. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on, bees. Get down on it.
Come on,
Get
girl.
down on it.
What is that?
They're all over you.
Yeah, that happens. Looks like a little piece of paper or something. Yeah, that's good.
We gotta move that.
Yeah, I know. The smoke always finds us. The same thing here. So I'll take the wrapper off this jar. And I'm going to put in some comb that has a lot of honey.
There you go.
Okay, I'm going to shake them down a little bit here.
The first shakedown.
I was not impressed with the size of the queen I saw on that last thing.
If we
Okay.
were sure which one she was.
Well, the fact that they were clustering to her like that, sure, boy, got that in there well, yeah. All right. And
Right?
I'm going to check. Hold this for a second. I don't like that.
There's some drones.
Oh, you see some drones there?
Yeah.
Gotta do this. I sure don't see any holes in this can, you know? I don't know how they were eating.
The cans had probably the tiniest little holes I'd ever seen, maybe one or two of them. So I was a little worried that the bees were underfed and maybe starving to death. I don't know why that was the case, but it was.
Now I'm going to put this empty box on here. Again, we're giving a good spray
It's that
down.
time.
And it's
Dump
time to
the
dump
clump.
the clump. Yeah. Are you ready, guys?
Guys and girls.
Girls.
Wow.
A nice pile of bees. Let's leave that there for now. Hopefully they will go down there a little bit. see how this one's doing. And the hope is that they all find that queen and go to that queen. There's some more sugar water over here. I don't think they got much sugar water on their journey. There's double poison. Prop it up so we don't squish bees in the process of putting that in there. There we go. Now, let them settle down a little bit.
One concern I had is that there was a very large sugar clump they had put in these queen cages. I was a little scared that the bees would not chew through in time to release the queen within a couple of days. So my intent was to come back and check them in a couple of days to make sure progress was made clearing that clump. So at the end of the day, I removed the cages, left the empty boxes on, and the plan is to come back and check them in a few days and see how they're doing. And we'll see you all next week. So goodbye from Buzz Park.